Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram notifications. So let's have a look now. First, check the notification settings within the Instagram app. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right to go to your profile. Tap the three horizontal lines at the top right and select Settings. Go to Notifications. Ensure that notifications for posts, stories, and comments, following and followers, and others are turned on as per your preference. Next, check your device notification settings. Open Settings and go to Apps. Find and tap on Instagram. Tap Notifications and ensure they are enabled. Customize the notification categories and priorities. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.